Hi, I'm Marna, and I'm kind of excited because Darren surprised me with yet something else for my BJDs. I wanted this doll. I had asked for this doll, but Darren surprised me with some others. There's a couple that haven't arrived yet, but he also surprised me with shoes. Seriously, does she not look like Alice in Wonderland sitting there with the Queen's crown, sipping hot chocolate or tea or something? How cute is that? These are new shoes for her. I left the strap long. Normally I would cut that down to size. I'm not going to do that yet. I don't know why, but something's telling me not to do that. We also got those in, oh, look what he ordered. Aren't these adorable? These are the same shoes in blue, which would have been cute for her, but I'm pretty sure Alice wears black shoes. But how cute is that? I mean, it's got just a little bit of heel, which is perfect for her foot. And then he got some white heels, which are iffy on their feet because they have a flatter foot, but these have a strap that go around too. You can wear it with or without. They also have a platform, so it kind of makes the shoe okay for these girls. What I love, 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 love. Look at these boots. I didn't put them on because I wanted to show you the whole boot. Once you get it on your doll and all laced up and tied nice, look at that cute little sole. Oh, 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 oh. It has in the back a zipper to take the doll's foot in and out. I just love these. He ordered all 4 of these. These are the shoes I took off of her that she came with. They're cute enough, but oh, aren't these adorable. He ordered all of these from Aliexpress, where he also got the dolls. My dolls are low end and I don't care. I really like them. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment.